welcome to the show. This is Webmaster Paul for Freshwater Diver 1. Okay, so Seabex, she's about 5 feet long and weighs in at 32 pounds with the motorcycle gel acids. And there's three gel acid in this, large ones for motorcycles. Okay, so I'm going to try and fix it up. These I'm going to have to seal off because these two are smashed, and you cannot get replacements for the Z drives here. I've got a box of all my parts, and that's what goes under here. Okay, so sadly some of these are broken as well, but I believe I can get the rear ones working. This one's fine, the starboard side's fine, it's the port side that got smashed, so I need to do something about that. And basically that's the mounting down here, which is broken. A lot of other repairs are needed. This cover hatch here, it's completely warped. I don't know why that's warped so much, but we shall have to take the balsa strips off, flatten it as much, wet the balsa, flatten it, and hopefully she'll come right. The main hull appears to be fine. There are, because I did try to get in here, I wanted to take the top off, the decking off, but that was proving so difficult, so I'll have to bond that back down. But a lot of work, yeah. But we started on the crane's structure, and I've just been gluing up some pieces there. Yeah, it looks solid. Okay, so there's another piece on the other side that's broken, so I'll get some of the plastic weld onto that as well. I've actually cleaned it all up. It might not look it, but I've cleaned it up where the joints are going to be taking place, and of course I've got all my little parts here. Hopefully not too much movement.
شخصي الواجب الله قريب عنده. ساعة نضوء
Okay guys, so Seabex, she's getting low on power now. She's had 3 runs from down here up to the boathouse. Just keeping her in shallow water in case I have to fish her out. Hey. Okay guys, so there we are, Steve's rescuing Seabex 1.
I'm gonna get out.
This is Webmaster Paul for Freshwater Diver 1. Thank you for supporting this channel.